What's up, Dreamer Tribe? What's up, world? I am Bianca, and this is my channel. So for today, I have another tutorial for you all, and this still concerns the 8bitDo wireless adapter. So as you can see, I'm still feeling a little bit under the weather. My voice is rather hoarse, and for that, I apologize. But I have promised videos almost every day, and I am here to deliver come rain or shine. So today's topic involves updating this, your 8bitDo retro adapter or wireless adapter, which allows you to use your controllers from other consoles such as the Xbox One S, the PlayStation 4, even the PlayStation 3. You can use it for your Nintendo Switch. So updates come regularly, apparently, as I have checked the 8bitDo website. And a lot of people may be wondering, how do you update this little beauty? So I'm here to teach you that today. My voice.
Before we begin, we've got new content almost every day, so be sure to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to be a part of the notification squad by clicking on the bell icon as well to get notified whenever new content comes out.
So this is rather a simple procedure. Before we do anything, however, we first have to head on over to the 8bitDo website, which, as you can see here, it is www.8bitdo.com. Now once there, head on over to the support page, click on firmware, and then head to the retro receiver USB adapter and select the download option for the retro receiver or wireless USB adapter. Now once you've extracted the file, just click on the 8bitDo retro receiver tools for update. Now that will open up a new window which will provide you with additional instructions. Now this is where most people might end up getting a bit of a problem, because you don't simply plug this 8bitDo wireless adapter into your computer's USB slot in order to update it, or for the update tool to be able to detect that you have plugged in your 8bitDo wireless adapter. For that, you would need to plug the 8bitDo wireless adapter in while holding the connection button, which is this one right here. Now just hold that while you put the 8bitDo wireless adapter into the USB slot of your personal computer. Now if you've done it correctly, the light which would appear here would not be the usual red light, but would be of the yellowish color variety. Now once the computer detects the 8bitDo wireless adapter plugged in, the tool will inform you what version you have currently in your 8bitDo wireless adapter. Now in order to update, just click on the update button and the pop-up will come up asking you to select the update file that you want. Now the update file is usually the one that ends with a .dat or .dat. Use that to upload your 8bitDo wireless adapter. Now as of this recording, the most recent firmware that was released for the wireless USB adapter is 1.16. And now once the update is done, you can just close the updater tool and then plug out your 8bitDo wireless adapter. You don't actually have to do anything much after that. So as you can see, updating your 8bitDo wireless adapter isn't all that complicated, though some people may tend to forget about that little bit of tidbit regarding how to correctly insert the 8bitDo wireless adapter into your computer in order for the update tool to read it. But anyways, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you all for watching. Once again, if you have any comments, suggestions, constructive criticisms, I welcome them. Just tell me, share it to me via the comment section below. So this is really a rather difficult recording for me. My voice is, I think, about to give out again, so I'm gonna cut this short here. I'll see you all in the next video. Be sure to subscribe and click on the notification, the bell icon to get notified for new videos. I've got more tutorials coming. I've got more videos planned, especially for this week. So until the next video, as always, dream on, fly on.